Hello everyone, welcome back. So now in this video we will install the Material UI. So let's visit the official website of Material UI. I think MEUI. Okay. So the thing here, let's click on this React component library. Okay. I think go to the docs. So let's click on this Material UI, and then you will see that here its installation process. Here install the Material UI, the world most popular React UI framework. Then here you have a default installation process. So make sure that you copy this command npm install. So just copy this and then go inside your project. I think here we have a VS Code, got it. Then make sure that here. mhm, Here is split your terminal and then again go inside your project. You see that is stock my. Make sure that you always go inside my. Okay, stock then my. You see that is stock inside my, and inside my app install your package. Okay, here basically add the material UI for the Y component and install it along with the required dependency. But getting something issues mhm, from the root project. I know that. Here I think use the force to install the forcefully. So just here use the force. Okay, then it install. Okay, here this with basically your I think mhm, basically you have a latest version of React.js, so that's why you will get in this issue. But if you use the force, then it install all the things. Okay. Then you will see that inside the package.json files, at this time you have only React and then React DOM and next. Okay, but here you see that I think it installed or not successfully. Let again check here. Now you see that here you have your material UI component. Okay, basically necessary dependencies. Then after that, the next is also your import the icon. Okay, so here also import your material icon. Now after that, here install the icons. Okay, here we have a command npm installs icon materials. So just copy this and then again open your VS Code and then paste it here and then make sure that here dash space dash dash then here write the force command. Got it? Then to install the your icons. Okay, icon dependencies. hmm It takes some times, but don't worry. Meanwhile, we will do another task. I think let here you see that this is the if you successfully install, then check here basically it's work or not inside your project. So that's why go inside your component and then I think here you have a button. Okay, so this button component copy inside your project and check that now here you have your buttons. You see that here you have a buttons. Okay, so basically this button copy and check inside your project, basically it is working or not. So make sure that you choose here your JS project. Okay, so copy this code. Now fine. So let copy this. Okay, basic buttons. So if you have installs or not, it taking some time, but don't worry. hmm Let me close this package.json files and go inside your inside page. Okay, and you see it. This is a default page of your Next.js. So I think let remove all this. I think not all this. So just remove this. And after that, mm, this is your footers and main. Also remove this. Then this class name. Also remove all these things and then just to here you have your buttons. Okay, so I think this is your buttons. Copy the code from here. Okay, and just here verify the thing. Basically, it is working or not. inside your project. Then after that, the here you have your component, that is mhm. So install all this inside your project. Got it? Now here you have your project, and make sure that you have a global.css files. So here we have a css, so remove all these styles. And again on the next is to you have a page module.css styles. So also remove all these styles. Okay. So let here open your application and check for the button. Now you see that you have a material component. Okay. So this is a button, material button. Okay. So here everything is working. Okay. Got it. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next videos.